the alignment. Woo. It's dark and it's cold out here in New Jersey. I swear to you, it's only 5:45. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. This is the Vikings Garage. And this, woo, part 3, man, of Bill's Trucks project. I am so excited for this episode. I've been sitting on this footage for way too long. But here's a little clue of what's to come. You ever looked at your tires? And on the sidewall, probably nobody has, but on the sidewall, you see the word tubeless. Well, this video should answer any questions you might have about that. But first, here's a little footage from part 2 that I actually forgot I had. So as you guys remember on part 1, I said, well, he's probably gonna scrap this dump truck, but here it is. Bill still taking parts. That's right. This is what's left of it now. Well, the cabin is here. Are we done with this cabin, Bill, or what's it? You are. All right. I'm gonna call the scrap guy. All right. So yes, guys, this one is done. This is definitely. What about those little switches, man? Maybe you could use those, no?
Yeah, I was gonna take out the.
Yeah, we got to. Maybe even this glove box, you know?
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, I would store that on. These are clearly gone. These things are shot.
I might grab just this one. It's got a little color left. But
yeah.
This is.
Oh wow, they were supposed to be all orange. That's. Yeah. I gotta say that's funny because they are not orange anymore. Yeah. Very cool. And
that's where the gas tank was, back here.
Behind the seats, huh?
And here's where it filled.
Wow, isn't that crazy?
The gas tank was flat and bolts there. But it had a hole in it, so I'm not using it. I don't want a gas can inside the cab anyway.
I tell you what, we've come a long way because that would not pass safety, right? Mm-hmm. Having a gas tank inside the cabin.
The steering shaft would go through your chest if you had an accident.
Right.
It's all one piece.
Yeah.
This is a metal dash.
Yep.
There.
There is no cushion, no airbags. Forget
There's
it.
no seat belts, of course. No emissions controls.
Different times, right? Here we go, guys. Cold start on an F600. They're only set for 30 years. But Bill. That's awesome. Woo! So what are we doing here with this thing? You're gonna dismount it?
I'm gonna show you how to dismount. This is a bias ply tire.
Oh my!
It's got a tube in it.
This looks pretty sketchy.
Two.
Yeah.
And these are the rims as you air them up. They say blow up.
Oh my!
So this, you knock this down.
It's definitely going down. Wow!
And right here. You spoon it out.
Oh my!
With the, you might have to get a little lower.
I got you. Wow! I definitely never seen that before. Oh wow! That thing just shifted.
Yeah. See, this will hold it out. This will spoon it. That's how you take them off.
Can't say I've ever seen this before. I should have just been giving you a hand, but let's face it, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I get what you're saying, the concept. Right. That's like a locking
right.
ring, if you will. Wow. That's definitely a first. Wow.
I might not use this because it's pretty rusty.
Yeah.
Then the tire slides off.
What? That is insane. Yeah, I see it.
And then you could put the
You got it?
something like that, and what you do,
Oh, knock it down.
this is not
Wow.
gonna come off. This is probably on too many years.
Yeah. But you know what? It's definitely going down. I got you. They've never seen tires mounted like this, that's for sure. It's definitely a style of wheel that you don't see every day. So tube goes into the tire first. We got a visitor. I don't know if you saw it, Bill.
All right, you got that?
Oh yeah.
And then this is a flap.
Really? A flap.
This is between the rim and the
Interesting.
tire tube. This goes in next.
Oh. Interesting. Obviously it only has one way to go because...
This protects the
Let's
tube.
try this angle here. Interesting. Yeah. So it has a little access hole there for the valve stem. Very cool. You definitely don't see this style of mounting tires every day, man, that's for sure. I can't say I've ever seen this. So that's a flap, you said.
Yeah.
Tire
Tube and a
flap.
flap.
New tires, huh? For sure. They look new.
Now,
There we go.
valve away from you.
Valve away.
Go like this.
Let's go.
Stick the valve in.
Wow.
This tire should slide right down.
Wow. It sure does. It's almost
Oh,
like
too.
falling into place. Look at that.
Then you put the ring.
So ring goes first. And what do you call this guy?
That's another ring, I would imagine. I don't
Locking ring, perhaps.
the hell do I know?
Yeah. See? All types of fancy tools, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright, that goes in there.
I see.
You work it around.
Oh, I see what you're doing. It's almost like putting in a snap ring.
It's just pretty much.
Pretty much the same thing, just
Pretty
this
much
is
the
a super sized snap ring for sure.
Now,
Yep. Wow.
now, they say as you air it up, they're dangerous.
Right, right, right.
But if it's all like that,
In place, right?
it could be. But I clean this up so it sits tight,
Oh,
and then that would be.
as you guys can see, the bead is sitting now. Oh, I see what you mean though. If it's not
It
sitting
locks-
properly, it could
It locks in,
pop up or
and
something.
it will
But
go straight up.
yeah, but yeah, it looks like it's sitting as it should. So you're saying roughly 100 pounds PSI?
Yes.
100 pounds PSI. That doesn't even sound right. 100 PSI.
Well, yeah, 100 pounds per square inch, yes.
Yeah. That's a beautiful shot there, Bill. You got the old cabin right behind you. That's awesome.
Yeah. It's a lot of volume. It'll take a long time because
Yeah.
it's more volume than...
Man, that thing, you weren't kidding, man. This thing is in there. Like,
Where's it going to go?
yeah, it can.
It locks in because it's like a little lip.
Yeah, you just got to wipe that off a little.
Yeah.
You're good. And that is eventually go in there.
Now I got to mount it on the truck.
I think I can kind of see where this is going. That's interesting, man. I can't say I've ever seen that before. Wow. Yeah, that trick is good, so that you don't mess up your back. Very, very cool. Yeah, that's your man. What do you call this? They're not lug nuts. They're locking pieces, I guess.
Hold this one. I
Yep.
gotta get my. Of course, you gotta put the valve
Faces.
between here.
Oh yes,
And
yes.
these
yes.
are locks, so it doesn't spin on you. These little knobs here would hold it from break
Oh,
the valve
got
head
it.
off.
See? Just in case you guys are wondering. It's basically what it looks like. Ah. That's interesting.
And that's actually pretty good.
He's checking.
But you see here,
Yep.
you go a little more.
The alignment.
That's pretty good.
There we go. Yeah. I think you got it dead on. And as always, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Most importantly, Bill, I don't know if I've ever said this before, but I appreciate you so much. Thank you for all the time you've given me. I've learned quite a bit. And, you know, we're neighbors, but you guys know how that goes. I come home, everybody always has things to do, and you never have time to, I guess, hang out with your neighbors. But I've always learned with you, man. It's really sad that you're moving, but I just wanted you to know that. I'm very thankful for everything you've been showing me and teaching me. It's really amazing, the knowledge that this man has. Thank you very much, Bill. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell down below. I'm having a hard time speaking. And as always, guys, I will catch you guys on the next one.